morning. Welcome back to my channel. Look, so Tiff just brought us caramel, so we're gonna do a caramel mukbang. Jason's gonna eat his in the front seat. You're gonna hear him every now and then, okay? Right? So what's the topic we talking about, guys?
What we doing here?
You have to talk about something. Ready?
Oh,
So this is
about just something
and eat. Yeah, so this is caramel, and it's from Trinidad, right?
From Scotland.
Oh, they're from Scotland? What? I thought this was from Trinidad. Don't laugh. Your grandma told me everything from Puerto Rico. So.
Oh no! It says product of the United Kingdom. That's
UK.
Not even Scotland.
Yeah, but Trinidad is a. You did? You like caramels? How you feel about it? He said caramel skin. So I'm opening mine while I'm struggling. Tiffany's gonna eat hers too. She's good for mukbangs because she be, yo, look. She be eating mad, like, slow and shit. So, like, let's talk about how Jason just throws trash in his car.
He worked.
He said, I worked. So that gives him the right to throw things.
He got J.O.B.
You work that kind of job, you ain't got time.
Come on, you making a mess.
Me? If you guys never had caramel before, you're missing out on life. Look at his red
You
jacket.
getting gas or a car wash?
Yo, tell him get out the way. He over here with his red Columbia.
These don't taste official though.
Mm-mm.
It's
I'm
missing-
telling you.
It's missing something.
I thought we were almost finished.
They're supposed to be from Trinidad.
No.
Yes.
They all say that.
Your chips that you only get in DR, is that from DR?
Yeah, but they don't sell them here, so it don't matter. It's not like you're gonna find them in Mexico.
You do find them in Mexico.
This is not. I'm saying this is not exclusive to Trinidad, obviously, because it's from United Kingdom.
Excuse me. Yes, it is. Okay. Just like, what's that candy name? Long Boy? The coconut candy?
Yeah.
Whoa! Yo, she just put this caramel wrapper in the bag and put her whole palm on my caramel.
No, I didn't. You're
Yeah,
lying.
you did! Bro.
Yeah, it's over.
No, it's not. She look mad happy, like we're about to make mad money off of this dirty person.
I ain't gonna lie. Number 3. Let me get the vinyl mat wash.
Number 3.
Can you give me a favor?
Mhm.
Can you back it up?
Yeah, yeah.
I gotta take out this car, it's too low.
No problem.
Keep that back it up.
How was your caramel, babe?
That was good.
Ooh, he got money. He said, "Give me that $17 one."
The number 3.
Plus the $3 for the vinyl mat. That's $20.
Yeah,
Shit.
but for extra, let me see, $7, you get. What do you get?
What, $26? Yeah, but I need that extra $7.
You get a chassis bath. What the hell is a chassis bath?
I don't need none of that.
You need it.
Chassis.
You know why you never needed it? Cause you never paid the extra $6. And they don't do what they don't do. The triple polish wax. You get that?
Yeah, I get all of that. Only thing they add is the vinyl matte wash.
You need that.
Yeah, I got that.
Do they wipe everything down inside the car though? Because there's coffee in the front seat.
The rain next shit. Nah, I'm gonna tell him if he could try to get that.
How often you wash this car?
Huh?
How often you wash this?
Like every weekend.
Every 2 months on the weekend.
Every year.
That's what y'all Puerto Ricans do in July.
Until I look and go, damn, yeah, no, she gotta get cleaned.
You only saying that because she needs in the back.
Yeah.
That's when you know it's dirty.
Uh-huh.
When you looking like an Uber driver.
Yeah.
Bro! She is...
Yo, you're so messy. Look at you.
You have juice all over my scarf now. Look at this. Oh, no, that's caramel.
Look at this.
That BMW behind me, man.
Oh. He said it's too small. It's too low. So that means it can't be washed in the car wash. Yeah, I know their hands be freezing because that water be mad cold.
That shit is stick.
No?
That's manual.
I don't know what that means.
Stick shift.
You need to mind.
You gotta switch the gears yourself.
Yeah, they look like vaginas. She put her hand in the wrong part. Not even the camera part. Screenshot. Ready, babe? You gotta smile with us. Thumbnail.
There you go, puppy.
Did you take the picture?
No. He was supposed to smile.
What
Who, me?
happened? Y'all didn't pay the heat today? Oh, y'all like this.
Yeah,
Funny.
she cutting ass on this car.
It's alright.
This, yo, y'all ain't watched this since the summer. It look like it got sand. Like,
Bro,
it's a mess.
his car seat base is dirty. That's how you know it's a mess in here.
You record me eat my food?
Just take a bite and shut up. Oh, this is good. Anybody want to try some? It's like shrimp and chicken with like veggies and
Jambalaya was like a rice.
it is, but they made like a pasta version. Today is is Saturday, and my glasses just fell, and I'm currently going to work. And Jackson is at home with his great grandma. Jason's dropping me off and then coming back to stay with him. I wanted to talk about how the different formulas were making him sick. So we just recently started switching formulas. Mm-hmm. Jason is trying to like correct how I'm saying things right now.
Oh no, I'm not. You doing your thing.
Oh, okay. So
I'm just
he
trying to
started
get my
off.
angle right. I'm sorry.
He started off with Similac. He had Pro Advanced Similac, and it was making him throw up. And we tried different brands of the Similac. We tried Sensitive. We tried a bunch of different ones, but he just kept throwing up. We tried the Infamil because his pediatrician recommended Gentle Ease for him because I guess it seems like he's having a stomach issue with the milk. And he was throwing that up too. So then we said, all right, let's go a more natural route and see if that works. He tried the Honest Company, and that made him throw up just a little bit. But sorry, my camera cut off. But as I'm talking about these formulas, I'm going to insert pictures of them on the screen somewhere. So then he was drinking the Honest Company, the Sensitive, go ahead babe, the Sensitive kind, and
it was organic.
And it was organic.
And it was good.
Yeah. He wasn't throwing up that much, but I was still giving him cereal in his milk. So then we cut the cereal, and we said, all right, let's try something that's a little bit more affordable, but we stuck with the organic route. So we tried Earth's Best. The Earth's Best, like, he threw up less than the Honest Company with the Earth's Best. And this is all Sensitive products that we're trying. I think next we're going to try the Gentle, because Jason, we want to see if that one is going to make him, like, not throw up. So
Yeah, because it ain't got that much of them syrup shits in them.